Travel hacks you need to know. Tired of travel stress? Discover these simple hacks to make your next trip smoother and more enjoyable. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes saves space and minimizes wrinkles. Use packing cubes to organize your luggage and compress items even further. Don't forget a universal adapter. It's a lifesaver for charging your devices in different countries. Also, pack a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated and reduce plastic waste. Travel during the off-season for cheaper flights and accommodations. Consider using budget airlines, but be aware of extra fees for baggage. Look for free activities in your destination, like walking tours or visiting local parks. Cook some of your own meals to save money on dining out. Share your itinerary with a friend or family member. Keep copies of important documents, like your passport and visa, in a separate location. Download offline maps and translation apps before you go. Purchase a local SIM card for affordable data access. Ready to travel smarter? Subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Share this video with your travel buddies and let us know your favorite travel hack in the comments below.